What is up, guys? Steven here, Catch Grow Cook, and today on Will It Smoke, we're gonna see if you can smoke cookies. So, I was looking at making some chocolate chip cookies, and instead of doing the normal like 350 in the oven, I figured why not put it on a Traeger? I mean, you can kind of smoke everything. At least that's what people in forums tell me. So, what we're gonna do is get some cookie dough, put it on a cookie tray, and toss it in the Traeger at 225, nice low and slow. So we're gonna see if that smoky flavor really enhances those chocolate chip cookies, or if it's something that you should probably never do. So let's give it a go. I will never know till I try. So will it smoke? That is the question. All right, so I figured I'd bring my cookies out here. I unsmartly put these in the freezer, so they're gonna be frozen. See if that affects it, but I think it'll still work. Now that this is heating up, put them to 225, and just gonna put this guy onto my baking tray. And then we're gonna put this in the grill and see what happens. So let's get to it. In case you're wondering what it looks like from this side, there they are, getting nice and smoky. All right, so the recipe calls for 350 at 10 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna try 225 for like an hour and a half. Once again, they're frozen, so we're gonna see once they get kind of firm. And I think they'll be done and ready, but as you can see behind me, the Traeger's smoking. So let's let it do its thing and fast forward an hour and see how it turns out. All right, it's been 1 hour and 7 minutes. So let's go take a look at how the cookies are doing. Smoked cookies. Ho, 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 ho. All right, guys, so we have our cookies here. And full disclosure, I actually ate some with my roommates last night, right when they came off, and they were actually just a little smoky. It wasn't too crazy, but we actually then ate some like 1 or 2 hours later, and it was very, very smoky. So this is now a cookie that I've let sit overnight to see if it gets even smokier. And we're going to see how they are. But as you can see, hopefully on the camera, they look like regular tasty cookies. I think the smoke actually ended up giving it a nice tan color, which is great. So yeah, let's give it a taste and see how it is. So at first you get the cookie, then you just get hit with a lot of smoke. So not sure if this is the best recipe, but now you know you can actually successfully smoke some cookies on your Traeger pellet grill. So if you ever have some cookies and you think that it's not smoky enough or you wish it had more smoke, throw it on your Traeger at 225 for about an hour and you'll get yourself a nice plateful of smoky cookies. And that pretty much wraps this up. Now, please comment down below if there's other things that you think I should try smoking, because I actually love this Traeger. I smoke pretty much everything on there now, and I really want to push the boundaries to see what you can and can't smoke. And from what I've read on forums, you can smoke everything. So comment down below what you think I should smoke next, and with that, see you in the next one.